Heart chakra, which is also refers as Anahata chakra, it is located in the central channel of the spine near the heart region. Anahata chakra is the fourth primary chakra according to Hindu yogic traditions. In Sanskrit, Anahata means unhurt, unstruck, and unbitten. Anahata is associated with balance, calmness, and serenity. Anahata is represented by a lotus flower with 12 petals. Its symbol consists of two triangles intersect to form a yantra. On outside, there is a lotus flower with 12 petals which is symbolizing the 12 divine qualities associated with the heart. The corresponding color of Anahata is green and its element is air. It is linked to the self-love and love for others. Inside, there is a smoky region at the intersection of two triangles, creating a Shatkona. The Shatkona is a symbol used in Hindu yantra, representing the union of male and female. Specifically, it is meant to represent Purusha, which is known as the Supreme Being, and Prakriti, which is also known as nature. The deity of this area is Vayu or air. The hexagram, associated with this chakra, represents the air, which moves upwards, downwards, and in all four directions. The seed syllable in the Anahata is the dark grey mantra, Yam. In the Bindu, or dot, above the syllable is the deity Isha. Isha is bright white or blue in color. He has either 1 or 5 faces, with 3 eyes on each face. He may have 2, 4, or 10 arms. He is clad in a tiger skin, holds a trident and drum, grants blessings, and dispels fear. His Shakti is Kakini, who is shining yellow or rose-colored. She has a number of variations, 1, 3 or 6 faces, 2 or 4 arms, and holds a variety of implements, occasionally a sword, shield, skull or trident. Another deity ascribed to the seed syllable Yam is Vayu, the god of wind and prana. Anahata is considered to be the seat of the Jivatman and Parashakti. In the Upanishads, this is described as a tiny flame inside the heart. It is associated with air, touch and the actions of the hands. The syllables may be thought as matching 12 vritis or divine qualities of the heart, are bliss, peace, harmony, love, understanding, empathy, clarity, purity, unity, compassion, kindness, and forgiveness. Anahata is associated with the ability to make decisions outside the realm of karma. In Manipura and below, man is bound by the laws of karma and fate. In Anahata, one makes decisions based on one's higher self, not the unfulfilled emotions and desires of lower nature. As it is known as the heart chakra. It is also associated with love and compassion, charity to others and psychic healing. Meditation on this chakra is said to bring about the following siddhis or abilities. They become a master of speech, they are dear to the gender they are attracted to, their presence controls the senses of others, and they can leave and enter the body at will.